Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can change your username on Carrom Disc Pool. So let's get started. First of all, open the Carrom Disc Pool app on your device. Now tap on the gear icon, or you can just directly tap on your profile icon. Now, once you are on the profile, tap on the little pencil icon just beside your username. Now, make the necessary edits and then select the green button, and that's it. This is how you can change your username on Carrom Disc Pool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.